Hello, this is the wise owl to come at you from the sea where I live. What you're seeing right now is a bag, as you can see here. It's a bag of coffee. To be precise, it is a Starbucks coffee, espresso. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can put it here. See? Starbucks Espresso coffee. This video is a continuation of studying your chemical symbols and atomic numbers for the periodic table of elements. But if I had to pick between the atomic number and the chemical symbols, especially if you're a beginner, I would first study the chemical symbols before the atomic numbers. But I'm going to put both of them down in case you want to study both. Okay. So we got Starbucks espresso coffee. Now I'm going to start with the word espresso, which the chemical symbols can be expressed in two ways, maybe more. Who knows? And I'm going to put both ways down. If there's a third way, so be it. A fourth way, hey. But let's see the two ways it can be done. And then we're going to start with Starbucks afterwards. Okay. Espresso. We got capital E-S-P-R-E-S-S-O. So we took the capital E and a small s for Einsteinium. Capital E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N-I-U-M. Okay. I think this lesson is too long, a little long, that I should put it in the discussion box below. So I'll try to put the discussion box below to make it, to clarify it more, because I know it's not too clear right here. Okay? And that's the atomic number of 99. Now, when you do chemical symbols and you don't want to do any atomic number, just cover the all this here like this, and you have all the chemical symbols, okay? Unless you want to study the atomic number in conjunction with the chemical symbols, all right? Okay, you got 99, that's 99. Excuse the pen. The pen is not working too well. You know, the pen, I don't know if it's running out of ink or whatever, but that's why the 9 looks a little distorted. That's the 9, not a G. So the atomic number is 9 for Einsteinium. The chemical symbol is a capital E and a small s. Then you got a capital P and the R. And you got a chemical symbol. The chemical symbol is P, capital P and the R, and the atomic number is 59. Now, capital P and the small r is for the chemical symbol for Praseodymium. That's a long word. Capital Praseodymium. Praseodymium. All right? And that's 59 atomic number. Then you got Einsteinium again. Capital E and a small s. Atomic number 99. Of course, we already spelled Einsteinium. Einsteinium, we could do it again. Capital E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N-I-U-M. Much clearer now. I-U-M. See here, it was hard to see here, but it's easier to see here. Okay? And then we got the S, capital S, the chemical symbol for sulfur with an atomic number of 16. Sulfur, capital S-U-L-F-U-R. And then we got O for oxygen, which I forgot to put down. Capital O with an atomic number of 8. O is for oxygen. Okay? Which is, of course, spell capital O, X-Y-G-E-N. Okay? And you got the word espresso. But not so fast. That's another way to write espresso. See right here? We still have the capital ES for Einsteinium with 99 as atomic number, but we separate the P and the R. Now we got capital P for phosphorus, which is atomic number 15. And phosphorus is spelled capital P-H-O-S-P-H-O-R-U-S. Phosphorus, capital P. Then we took the R, the small r here, and we capitalized it and put a small e. So we got capital R and a small e with atomic number of 75. And we have Rhenium. capital Rhenium. Just go to your periodic table of elements and look for number 75. You see capital Re for rhenium. Then you got capital S right here. 16 for sulfur. And that is capital Sulfur. Then we got another S, 16 atomic number for sulfur. Another capital Sulfur. So let me spell the. I think I made a mistake here. Capital Sulfur, right? Capital Sulfur, sulfur. Okay. And then we got capital O, atomic number of 8 for oxygen. Right down here. I'm down here. Okay. 8 for oxygen. Capital Oxygen. So you see here, it's written one way. Look how it is. See it? And down here, it's written another way. You see it? When you get to know your chemical symbols and atomic numbers, you know right away how to do this. And here it is again. And now, let's go to Starbuck. Starbuck it's also made of a chemical symbol. I think Starbuck got its name from Moby Dick. I think a ship hand or a shipmate or something. A captain's shipmate or worked in a ship, whatever. Moby Dick. Starbuck is the name of a personage or character in that story or whatever, a novel. All right, but that's right. That's why I believe it is what I heard or discovered. So so don't take me at my word. Just look it up yourself or ask somebody. So we got Starbucks. Capital S. We got 16 for sulfur. Capital Sulfur. Then we got capital T and a small a with atomic number 73 for tantalum. Tantalum is spelled capital Tantalum. Then we got RB. So we got capital R and B for rubidium. Rubidium with the atomic number of 37. Rubidium is spelled, capital RB is the chemical symbol for rubidium, which is capital Rubidium. Rubidium. Then we got U, 92 atomic number U, capital U for uranium, which is spelled capital Uranium. Then we got C, capital C for carbon, which is atomic number is 6. Carbon is spelled capital Carbon. Then we got capital K for potassium. Be careful now. Potassium is a word that starts with a capital P, but the chemical symbol is a capital K. All right? So be careful. Potassium, the atomic number is 19, and that is spelled capital Potassium. Now, when I was a young man, I thought that potassium was spelled with one S, not two S's. I had to find a way to remember this. So don't laugh at me. There's only a way for me to remember it. So I finally had to cut it down, and I came up with P-O-T, Potassium. Right, Kat? Yeah, Potassium. So I had to do it that way. And that's just where I am. I don't want to make a mistake and spell one S, but there was two S. So Potassium. I am. Sorry, but that's how I got to remember it. I haven't put one S at all for a long time. I always put two S's, so it worked. Then we got S, capital S for sulfur, capital Sulfur, and then you go. You got Starbucks, all right? There you go. Believe it or not, there you go. So we got Starbucks and we got Espresso, two ways. And there's your bag of coffee. Okay? Starbucks, Espresso. All right? Roast, I cannot do yet. For me to do roast, I need a word here and I need another word here to do it. And I can do it. And maybe one day I'll show you because you can use more than one word. Okay? All right. I think it's too much for you to understand, to see, to absorb by watching the video. I want to go to the description box and rewrite this in the description box below. And that way you can go to the description box to be sure. Okay? just to make sure that you got it right. But I'll take a picture this way. Espresso. One way to write it. Espresso, another way to write it. Starbucks. 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 Okay? This wires out to come at you from the see where I live. Go to the description box. I just have to rewrite it. My pen is not functioning right, and I'm writing kind of sloppy. Okay? This wires out to come at you from the see where I live. Over and out.